What are the most important responsibilities as a CEO? It's a very dynamic question. I think there's a lot of factors that need to be taken into consideration. My name is Ian Shea and I'm the CEO of ALTI. Supporting the team and motivating the team is pretty high up there. Making sure that they can bring value at the end of the day and giving them the support to do that. Where we have highly motivated teams, we can then be creative and we can actually get to making products that actually solve real world problems. ALTI's UAVs help solve a variety of different problems. We have lots of different sectors that we are active in, from mining security to conservation to border patrol. All of these applications use a similar sort of solution at the end of the day, but they are very different in their outcomes and their application needs. ALTI works closely with clients in every project that we do. Every client is a little bit different, so they might need the same sort of equipment that we have, but the overall solution is then catered specifically for them. So ALTI offers quite a lot of support to clients before the sale, but also after the sale. We provide full in-house training. We help with all of that and also commissioning on site with clients so that they can get into the swing of things and be successful in what they want to do.